Welcome to Smart Quiz Builder. My name is Veena Prashant. I'm the creator of this plugin. Smart Quiz Builder is the most powerful and customizable quiz and survey plugin for WordPress. Today I'm excited to let you know that we have added another amazing feature that will allow you to display different types of charts to your users on the final outcome screen. So when they complete the quiz, for example, say that you want to display a spider chart or a bar chart, or you want to display question answer breakdown to your users to let them know how they did compared to all the other people that took the same quiz. You can now do this easily using this new feature. You can let SQB know what type of chart you want to display. If you want to display all three, that's up to you. But if you just want to display, for example, a simple bar chart to let users know this is the outcome you got. And by the way, other people that took the quiz, here's how they did, and this is how many people took this quiz, and this was the result they got. You can now do this very easily. All you have to do is select the quiz, and even if you have an existing quiz, you can edit the quiz. And in the display settings tab, you can let SQB know which type of chart you want to display, and that's it. And you can customize different options, and SQB will display that chart on the final outcome screen. So I just wanted to do this quick video to show you how you can set this up. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to subscribe. This way you will be the first to know when I release new videos like this. I also post daily tips on Twitter on memberships, marketing, online courses, quizzes, surveys. So if you are interested in content like this, then be sure to follow me on Twitter for daily tips. All right, so let's get started. So this is the backend of Smart Quiz Builder. This is the Manage Quizzes page, and I'm going to edit this quiz and show you my settings. All right, so this is the basic settings. Give your quiz a name, description. This is an existing quiz. All I have done here is in the Display Settings tab. If you go down here, you'll see there is a new section, Display Charts on the Outcome Screen, and I have enabled this. So by default, it's going to be turned off. But if you want to display different types of charts on the outcome screen, you can just switch this button right here, and SQB will now display different types of charts. And there are different options. You can see here, display bar chart, display detailed results, and display spider chart. So initially you can check all the boxes just to see how it looks on the final outcome screen. And then if you want to turn off a specific type of chart, then you can turn off the ones that you don't want to display. All right, and then chart customization options. So just use the default initially, and then when you see the result on the final outcome screen, if you want to change the font color or the font size of the outcome title that shows on the final outcome screen, then you can update that here. But just use the defaults initially and see how it looks, and then you can make the updates. All right, and you can see there are several options here. If you want to ignore certain users in the calculation, for example, admin users, right? Because as an admin, you will be running several tests. And if you don't want to include your tests in the final outcome, then you can check this box. This way, SQB will ignore all the admin accounts and will not take it into consideration for the final outcome display. And similarly, other users, if there are specific users you don't want SQB to use in the final outcome calculation, then you can add email IDs here, a comma-separated list of email IDs, and SQB will ignore these email IDs. All right, by default, it's unchecked. Initially for testing, if no one else has taken the quiz yet, don't check this because you will not see any results. But after you complete your testing, if you want to get SQB to ignore certain types of users, then you can check the box. Now, do you want to display charts starting from a specific date, which means SQB will only take the data that it has collected starting from that date and ignore everything else before that date? So if yes, you can let SQB know what date. Otherwise, you can leave it as no, and SQB will use all the information, all the data that it has collected for that quiz. All right, display this message about the charts. Now this message is pretty cool because, and you can change the font here and make it bold if you want. Now this message will let your users know that this many people have taken the quiz so far, and here's how they did. Here's the detailed breakdown of the outcome. So this is pretty cool because towards the top about the charts, SQB will display this message and let users know that, by the way, this many people took the quiz and here's how they did, right? So it will let users know, for example, 250 people took this quiz, and here are the detailed results. And this text will be displayed on the final outcome screen, and you can translate this text here and update it here. So these are the options we have as far as the charts. And one more thing you can do is say that you don't want SQB to display it automatically at a certain place on the outcome screen. Instead, you want to insert the merge tag wherever you want the charts to be displayed. Then you can do that too. In that case, don't check these boxes. If there is a specific place on your outcome screen where you want to insert these charts, then you can use merge tags, and I'll show you what the merge tags are in the outcome tab. You will find it here. in the outcome tab, and you can insert it directly wherever you want the charts to show up. In that case, don't check any of these. All right, but you need to still enable this. Do you want to display charts? And you can still use the customization options, but don't check these boxes if you don't want SQB to automatically insert these charts. All right, if you want more control over where these are displayed, don't check it. For now, I'm going to check all of these. And other than that, everything is just a regular quiz. And this is a personality quiz. And you can do this with any type of quiz, no restrictions. And outcome, there are 4 different outcomes. And you can see here, I don't have any merge tags here on the outcome screen. SQB will automatically insert these charts below this, below all of these messages. That's why I was saying that, say that you want the charts to appear here somewhere at the top, and you don't want SQB to automatically insert it towards the bottom. Then what you can do is, under personalization, you will find all of these tags, merge tags, these 4 merge tags. You can insert it wherever you want, like the chart heading. That's the one, this is the one that will let users know total of this many users took the quiz, and here's the detailed response. The message that I showed you right here, this message will be displayed. All right, so that merge tag is to help you display that. But you only need to do this if you don't want SQB to automatically insert all of the charts on the final outcome screen. And if you just want to display one of these and not all of these, that's up to you. So in my case, I'm not going to do this because I want SQB to automatically insert it after all of this. So let's go ahead and save it. Now, question screen, there are 5 questions in this quiz, as you can see. And lead generation, users will see the lead generation form after they answer all the questions. And one more thing we have done is in the custom fields, you can now add custom fields right from here. You don't have to go to the settings page to add a new custom field. You can do it right here. You can click on it and you can add your custom fields right here, and you can add any custom field that you want to your opt-in form. Super easy. And shortcode tab. That's it. The quiz is ready, and all you have to do is copy the shortcode, publish it anywhere you want on a WordPress page. And if you want to publish it on a third-party site, on a completely different site, in that case, don't use the shortcode, but copy the embed code and insert it wherever you want the quiz to show up. So now let me show you the front end and show you how this works. So here I have published the quiz, and this is the quiz right here. I'm going to complete the quiz and show you how this works. I'm just going to pick some random answers here. I'm going to go ahead and opt in. All right, you can see here, it says 221 users participated in the what type of online course should you create quiz. And here are the detailed results. This message is customizable in the backend, like I showed you right here in the display settings tab. You can update this message. You can have it say whatever you want. This will, don't change this because this is a merge tag and SQB will use it to display the total number of users. You can insert it wherever you want in your message, but if you want to display the total number of users, you need to use this merge tag. All right, so here, this is the bar chart, right? So you can see these are the 4 different types of possible outcomes, and here's how different users did. So total number of responses for transformation course was 38. Lead magnet course, 123. So this is so useful because now your users can see how they did compared to other people that took the same quiz. And this is the spider chart. You can see here there are 4 different outcomes: signature course, transformation, lead magnet course, and introductory course. So you don't have to use both of these on the outcome screen. If you just want to display the spider chart, you can turn off the bar chart. That's up to you. But if you want all types of charts on your outcome screen, you can do that too. You can see the number here: total response 38 for transformation, total response 43 for signature. Free lead magnet course has the most response. 123 people got this outcome. And another awesome breakdown we have here: select question. So here you can see there are 5 questions in this quiz. Users can select a specific question and they can see how many people picked what answer choice, right? So they can now see a full breakdown of how others responded at question level, right? So you can do a question level breakdown and you can show them how other people answered that quiz and what answers were most popular, which ones were not. So you have the option now, whichever ones you want to enable and display to your users, that's up to you. But now you have this feature, you can use it however you want, whatever works best for you. And the cool thing is you can do this not just with the personality quiz, but also with the scoring quiz, assessment quiz. This will work with all types of quizzes. Let me show you a demo of a scoring quiz. So this is a scoring quiz, all right? Are you a workaholic? I'm going to just go ahead and select some random answers. I have enabled the charts for this quiz as well. So by default, the charts are disabled. If you want to enable it, all you have to do is in the backend, go to the display settings tab and enable it there for the quiz. And here, that's it. You can see you got a score of 1 out of 13. I just picked some random answers. But here you can see Yes, you're a workaholic. You are good. These were the 4 different responses, possible responses users can get. And this is how other people did. You can see 196 users participated in this quiz. Here are the detailed results. So you can do this with all types of quizzes. And here they can also see the question level breakdown. That's it for now. My name is Veena Prashant. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be back soon. Bye for now.